सर నువ్వు ఎక్కడైనా చెప్ప काम सरेंडर नहीं चलेगी नहीं चलेगी।
The picture is very clear. Narendra Modi's name has emerged in Epstein files. Gautam Adani's name is in corruption cases in the America. Anil Ambani's name has emerged in Epstein files. And the Union Cabinet Minister Hardeep Singh Puri's name has emerged in Epstein files. 35 lakh Epstein files are yet to be released. So you can understand the panic. Narendra Modi ji has surrendered himself to Donald Trump, and that is the reason he is not questioning no matter what Donald Trump is saying against India. India is the biggest democracy in the world. And how can America dictate terms to India? And Narendra Modi, being the Prime Minister of the biggest democracy in India, he is not even questioning and challenging Donald Trump. See, Indian interests should be put in front of his personal interests. But contrary to that, Narendra Modi ji is not responding to whatever Donald Trump is saying today. America is saying they will give just 30-day time for India to buy permission. They give us permission to buy oil from Russia. How can any other country give us permission? India is an independent country. We can make decisions on our own. But Narendra Modi ji is not responding. And on the other hand, Iran has been friends with India for the longest time. They have supported India on the Kashmir issue. We are not asking Modi to take sides with anyone. We are saying that Narendra Modi can at least express solidarity with the death of the Supreme Leader of Iran. But Narendra Modi ji doesn't respond to anything. And this is only because our Prime Minister is compromised. And it has been established. Narendra Modi should resign or come clean on all the allegations. Today, the common man of India is demanding Narendra Modi answers. So we expect Narendra Modi to respond or part away. Thank you.
We are here to protest against the policies of the Modi government, and we categorically are saying that Modi government.
राजनीति हो या क्रिकेट, देश विदेश की ब्रेकिंग हो या आपके मोहल्ले की बड़ी खबर, सब मिलेगा एक ही ऐप में, सबसे तेज और भरोसेमंद। अभी डाउनलोड करें दैनिक भास्कर डिजिटल।